Yeah, if you're thinking about being a community manager, it's a really cool role for a lot of people for a lot of different reasons. I mean, yes, it's a job. Yes, there's a lot of good benefits and perks to it as a job, but the skills that you learn as a community manager are like I can't think of another job where you would learn so many skills so quickly if you're open to it. I mean, think about it. The ability to like regulate your emotions, the ability to listen in meetings and capture action items and disseminate those to the right things, financials, literally running a board of individuals that runs, essentially a business, right? I mean, just it's ridiculous how many skills you can learn. And so I think for people coming in, make sure that you're paying attention to that. Make sure that you're actually getting the most out of it. Don't just think it's a job that you go to, you work all day and then you go to a board meeting at night and you're like, oh, whew, oh my gosh, the day's over and I just got to do it again. You're missing this huge opportunity to learn more skills in the shortest amount of time than like almost any other job or role that I can think of. And whether you stay in the industry forever or stay for a year, the amount of skills that you can acquire in a short amount of time is just absolutely mind blowing. But if your intention is wrong or you're not open to that, you're going to miss that opportunity. And I think a lot of managers, we know we've been around them all the time, burnout is a very common word in the industry, but it doesn't have to be. What if the intention was to learn? What if the intention was truly to make the property better? What if the intention was to learn how to, you shift a board every year, right? We all know the properties where the board changes every year and managers are like, oh, here we go. I got to do it again. Like, but what if that's an opportunity to better encapsulate what was important to the community and then retrain those board members in a very short amount of time with all of those things that are important to the community? Like, I don't know. There's so much that you can learn, and I think unfortunately a lot of people miss that.